like to be the first to welcome you to the Denver International Airport. Local time here is 4:23. We'll taxi a few minutes because we care about your safety and the safety of those around you. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and belongings stowed until we've come to a stop at the gate and the pilots have turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. When you open the overhead compartments, items have a tendency to shift during flight. If you are terminating your travels here today, just follow the overhead signs that will lead you to baggage claim and ground transportation. We are parking on the B as in Broncos concourse tonight at gate 47. The only way to the main terminal is through the underground train system. Please check the monitors located inside the terminal. On behalf of your flight crew, it's been our pleasure having you with us briefly today. We know you have a choice of airlines and we sincerely appreciate